So we've got a little bit of a dinosaur water heater today. Big old A.O. Smith from, look at the serial numbers, GJ94, so 1994. And we got a 50-gallon tank. So it's got some age to it. 22 plus 6, 28-year water heater. Now currently, if we were to install a new water heater, we'd like to see it elevated off the floor. We'd like to see a drip pan underneath of it to catch any water that might drip, get it down here to the cement floor. But these connections on this water heater are fantastic. 94. I was 12 years old when this water heater was installed. So yeah, we've got an old gate valve that would be nice if we just had a ball valve installed there. A little bit of corrosion. Starting to see a little bit of corrosion around the anode rod. But for the age of this water heater, this thing is awesome.